Hello guys, I try to explain for you how to reprogram the original key with the infrared transmitter in your Audi Avant 801995. And three steps to reprogram the key. First, you have two keys, one to turn on the car and the key you have reprogrammed. Okay, first do you have to turn on the car with the first key, and second step, you lock the car with the key. Third step, you press the button to infrared receiver. One time for the first key, two times for the second key. Fourth step, turn off the car. Thank you.